Probably you're watching this video, you are looking for copywriting clients, but you're not getting them. So I'm gonna teach you. I'm gonna use drug dealer as an example. So in this video, I'm not promoting drugs. I'm just giving you an example. That you can learn from. To do good. You see, to your own advantage. Okay. So how does a drug dealer acquire a new client? So a drug dealer acquire a new client by giving out drugs for free of charge, because they understand that if they try to offer these drugs at a price, they will get more rejection than they would if they offer these drugs for free. So they target someone and they want to acquire them as a client and offer them drugs for free. You see, so once this client that is being targeted uses this drug, then they end up being addicted. Then after addiction, this drug dealer no longer give this drug to this potential client for free. Now this potential client gets the drug at a price. You see, so the drug dealer gives you the drug for free in advance. Then once you are addicted, then they start selling these drugs to you, because now you are driven by addiction. So that's the same method you should use to acquire copywriting clients. You see, don't sell them, you will get more rejection. You see, what you should do, offer them an offer they cannot refuse. What is that offer? Give them stuff valuable. Write them stuff valuable. You see, send it to them for free of charge. You see, and then when they use it, or maybe when they are impressed by it, which means they are somehow now addicted, because they are getting value from it. You see, when somebody is addicted from drugs, is getting value like ecstasy, happiness, extra happiness, they get a dopamine rush. That is value, but it's wrong, but it's value. You see, so also your prospect, get dopamine rush, when you give them something that impresses them, and then when they use this and test it, they get result, they get a dopamine rush. Now they like you, now they trust you, because one of the reasons your prospect is not hiring you, your copywriting client you are targeting is not hiring you, is because there's a lack of credibility. They don't trust that you can deliver the results that you promised you will. So you handled that objection by offering them something for free or value in advance, and they tested it and they got positive results. Now they are addicted to you, they like you, they trust you, then they are more likely to hire you. So that's the lesson you can learn from drug dealers on how to acquire copywriting clients. You see, by the way, I work as a business opportunity copy writer. You see, so if you are looking for a business opportunity copywriter, don't hesitate to send me an email at sbo@sbotango.com. You heard that right, sbo@sbotango.com. So if you happen to not know what a business opportunity copywriter is, it's a copywriter that writes to businesses that are selling how to make money info products. For example, if you are having an info product that teaches people how to make money with cryptocurrency, you see, that's a how to make money info product. So I write for those kinds of businesses. If you are maybe running a YouTube channel, you see, or Instagram account, you see, and you want to create a course, that will teach people on how to accumulate a massive social media following and make money using that or leveraging that following. So I write a copy for those kinds of businesses that are selling how to make money info products. Okay, so if you learned one or two things out of this video, please don't hesitate to press the subscription button as well as the notification bell. Why? So that you can be notified when I've uploaded another video that is going to advance your copywriting career. Take care, have a nice day. See you on the next video.